Hello everyone, welcome to the fourth and final part of our keyboard shortcut series. It was a very fun experience to use all these shortcuts, and speaking of fun, we've got some keyboard wizardry lined up for you today. Let's dive into the world of shortcuts then. Changing language and keyboard layout can be easily achieved with the Windows logo key plus spacebar. You can do the same thing with Alt plus Shift. You can also cycle backwards through language and keyboard layout if you use the Windows logo key plus Shift plus spacebar. And you can change to a previously selected input with the Windows logo key plus Ctrl plus spacebar. Now it's easier than ever to work with different languages and keyboard layouts. For those of you who work with the Windows built-in narrator, you can turn it on with Windows logo key plus Ctrl plus Enter. Do you have the need to zoom in or out using the built-in magnifier tool? You have the ability to zoom in by pressing the Windows key along with the plus key, and conversely, you can zoom out by using the Windows key along with the minus key. When you're finished, simply press the Windows key and Escape together to close the magnifier. Capture and save an entire screenshot directly to a file by using the Windows key along with the Print Screen key, or save a screenshot of game window using the Xbox game bar with the Windows plus Alt plus Print Screen combination. Let's make this interactive. Drop your favorite keyboard shortcut in the comments below, and, if you haven't already, hit subscribe for more helpful content. Enhance your workflow efficiency by seamlessly checking taskbar settings with the Windows key plus Alt plus Enter shortcut. This convenient combination allows for a swift and smooth assessment, ensuring you can manage your taskbar preferences effortlessly. Do you like or use this part of any window? Hit Numlock plus the plus key to display the contents of the selected folder, and with Numlock plus the minus key to collapse the selected folder. If you want to display all subfolders under the selected folder, then hit the Numlock plus the Asterisk key. Streamlining navigation in Windows featuring an address bar is easily accomplished using the Alt plus D shortcut. This allows you to effortlessly select any address bar within the window. To display the preview panel within a window, use the Alt plus P combination, and use it again to close the preview panel. Checking the properties for any item or file is a straightforward process with the convenient Alt plus Enter shortcut. This keyboard combination simplifies the task, allowing you to access and review detailed information effortlessly. Go directly to the bottom of any active window using the N key and come back to the top using the Home key. If you need to maximize any window and have a full screen view, use the F11 key. Restore it back to its original size with the same key. Thank you for joining us in this exciting journey through the world of keyboard shortcuts in our 4-part series. As we conclude, remember to subscribe so you don't miss out on future content. It's been a pleasure sharing these shortcuts with you. Until next time, happy computing!